We begin tonight in Kwara State, where all the 5 suspects in the Offa bank robbery case have been found guilty of all the charges and sentenced to death by hanging. Now, it took 6 years before the case could be determined. TVC's Haleema Salman has details.
On the 5th of April 2018, daredevil armed robbers attacked the Offa Divisional Police Headquarters before robbing 5 banks. In the process, policemen and civilians numbering about 30 were killed, while millions of naira were equally carted away. 6 suspects, a policeman, Michael Adiku, Ayuade Akiniboson, Aziz Salaudin, Niji Ogundiran, Ibikunle Ogunleye, and Adeola Abraham, were arrested in connection with the bloody bank robbery. Michael Adiku died in police custody, while the remaining 5 pleaded not guilty, claiming alibi when the trial commenced in November 2018. Delivering judgment, Justice Haleema Salman found them guilty of all the counts charged and sentenced them accordingly. The court held that the 5 suspects have no license to carry arms and sentenced them to 3 years imprisonment. On culpable homicide and armed robbery, the court found them guilty and sentenced them to death by hanging.
Armed robbery, murder, that is culpable homicide punishable with death, and unlawful possession of firearm. So those are the 3 basic things. And apart from the conviction, the sentence was also pronounced, and the maximum sentence that the court can pronounce on those 2 capital offenses are the death. They carried death sentence by hanging.
The lead defense counsel, Matthias Emiribi, was not in court, but one of the defense counsel said the judgment was expected and will be appealed.
I am not surprised, and likewise my principal counsel is not in surprise as regards to the judgment of today.
So what will be the next line of action?
Of course, in line with AG or your state against Bilo, it's an automatic appeal. It's an automatic appeal, and definitely it's going to stay. So I think it's one of those things that Mr. Emiribi have started doing, comparing the record and whatever, so that at least we move to the upstairs.
The suspects had been standing trial since November 2018.
It's been 6 years of intense legal battle over this case, and at the end of the day, these suspects have been sentenced to death by hanging. But this may not be the end of it all, as the defense is willing to appeal the judgment. Haleema Salman, TVC News, Ilorin.
A legal practitioner, Dotun Hassan, joins me on the news for more updates.